Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting at the home screen. Find the Microsoft Edge shortcut now. You need to confirm where it's pinned, Start, Taskbar, or Desktop, because removal steps differ slightly. Once located, right-click the Edge icon to open the context menu. Make sure to look for Pin to Start or Unpin options. These controls remove the tile without uninstalling the app. Also check the taskbar separately since some systems keep both a Start tile and a taskbar pin. Once you've opened the context menu, select Unpin from Start to remove the tile. This clears your home screen quickly. Then move to the taskbar. Right-click the Edge icon there and choose Unpin from taskbar so it won't auto-launch from the lower bar. If the shortcut sits on your desktop, pick Delete. That removes the shortcut but not the program. Remember, these steps tidy your interface. They don't uninstall Edge. If you want it gone entirely, use Settings, Apps and Features afterward. After unpinning, confirm the icon is removed from Start, the taskbar, and the desktop so your home screen is clean. If you intended to remove Edge features, open Settings, go to Apps, right arrow Apps and Features, and consider Advanced Options. Only uninstall if your OS allows it. If the icon still appears, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in to refresh the interface. If that fails, check for admin restrictions or group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.